problem in ratio and proportion. Now he asked first question as rupees 600 divided among A, B and C such that rupees 40 more than 2 by 5 of A share, rupees 20 more than 2 by 7 of B share and rupees 10 more than 9 by 17 of C share may be all equal. Okay, देखो this question can be solved in many ways, but the method one is, see, we have let 3 part be ABC, this is equal to 600, and the second condition is 40 more than 2 by 5 of A share is equal 20 more than 2 by 7 of B share and is also equal to 10 more than 9 by 17 of C share, and this all are equal, तो इसको हम x मान लेते हैं. Now from this we get A as, see, 40 come this side, we will convert all ABC in terms of x, so it would be x minus 40 into 5 by 2 and B would be x minus 20 into 7 by 2 and C is equal x minus 10 into 17 by 9. Now putting this value in equation, this we have 5 by 2 x minus 40 plus 7 by 2 x minus 20 plus 17 by 9 into x minus 10 is equal 600. Solving we get x as 100. So putting this value of 100 in this, we get A as required value, right? We will get answer from this. Now this is method will take 1 to 2 minutes in examination. Now how to solve these type of question within 10 to 20 seconds. Now the method is, okay, now see one more thing. It is given B by 7. So first of all check which option is divisible by 7. This option is divisible by 7. It may be value of B. And now C is 17 divided, C 9 by 17 of C. So C is divisible by 17. This may be value of C. Now we have remained with two values, this and this. Now check if this is 170, this is 280, right? Now sum of these three 600, and if we take this will not, this A and this C and this B will give us A plus B plus C as 650. So हमने जो assume किया था B is 280, C is 170 and A is this 150 gives us 600 sum. Hence this is possible value of A, but you will check by solving this part also, right? I am solving it again. See, it is given that 40 plus 2 by 5 of A is equal 20 plus 2 by 7 of B is equal 10 plus 9 by 17 of C. The concept and the shortcut behind this method is this, that B should be divisible by 7. So A option is divisible by 7. It may be B. It is not necessary that it is correct answer, but it may be B. Now C is divisible by 17, only this option is divisible, this may be C, right? Now this 2 sum would be 450, so remaining value would be A. This may be A. Now put this value to check your answer is correct or not. If we put 2 by 5 into 150, it would be 60 or 100. Now put B as 280, it would be 20 plus 2 by 7 into 280, it would be 40, 80, 100. Now put C as 170, it would be 90 plus 10. Yes, every value is 100, so our assumption is correct. Answer is A. Friends, this is the easiest approach, and I am doing this for many years, and this is the reason why our student gets selected in SSC and bank examination. Okay, in my videos, in my class video that I provided to my student, it contains all these type of shortcut, how to get our answer through the options. Okay, next question. Two vessels A and B contain milk and water mixed in the ratio 5:3 and 2:3. Okay, milk and water, first 5:3, second 2:3. when these mixture are mixed to form a new mixture containing half milk. Now new ये final mixture ratio is 1:1. Now let first part be x, second part be y. Now in case of alligation, what we'll do, we will solving this question in milk. So on this part we will write milk, and on denominator we will write complete 8, and for this we will write 2 in numerator and 5 in denominator, and our final mixture containing 1 milk and upon total is 2. Now solving these two, x upon y, this is what alligation that we have discussed in our alligation video, right? So Amit, did you get this point? We have discussed this part in our alligation video. Okay, you will get this concept in our video. Now in front of x it would be 2/5 minus 1/2, and in here it would be 1/2 minus 5/8. Now LCM is 10, it would be 4 minus 5. Here LCM is 8, it would be 4 minus 5. So finally what we have x as minus 1 upon 10 upon minus 1 upon 8, or it would be 8 upon 10 or 4:5. So answer is C option. Okay, next question. This is again a alligation question. Gold is 19 times heavy as water and copper is 9 times heavy as water. The ratio in which these two metals be mixed so that the mixture is 15 times heavy as water. Okay, so the process is gold upon copper. Now this difference is 15 minus 9 upon 19 minus 15. It is 6/4 or 3/2. Answer is C option. Soumya, if you have problem in this part, you will see my alligation and mixture video class that I've sent you. Right? Next question. 1 year ago, the ratio between A and B salary. Achha, this is very good question, and this is bit typical also. See, there are two persons A and B. Last year, again last year, and this year. Now last year the ratio between these two is 3:4, and last year individual ratio between last and this year is 4:5 and 2:3. Now the concept is these two value equal, but these two related to each other. So we will assume that this is 3x, this is 4x, and now 4a 5a, 2b 3b. Now these two would be equal because both represent same value, because this is last year of A salary, this is last year of B salary. Here it is last year A salary. So from this we get 3x plus equal 4a, and A is equal 3x/4, and from this we get 4x is equal 2b, or B is equal 2x. Now it is also given that the sum of their salary, current salary is 4160. So 5a plus 3b is equal 41,600. Right, now put value of A. It is 15x/4 plus B 6b is equal 41,666. Sorry. Now it would be 39x/4 is equal 41,600. So x would be 41,600 into 4 by 39. It is cancelled by 13. So it would be 3200. Right, this is value of A. Now this is value of x. Now value of A, if we put value of x in this, A would be 3 into x, 3200 into 4 by 3 upon 4. 4 cancel, 3 cancel. So value of A is 3200. What we have to calculate? A's present salary, that is 5a. So multiply this 3200 by 5, we will get 1600. Answer is B. See, this question there is no such shortcut for solving these type of question. You have to solve it completely. Okay, next question. Okay, this is variation question. It is given that y is directly proportional to x plus 3. Now the rule is to remove this proportional sign, we put k as constant. Now we have given with y is equal 8 and x is equal 1. So put this value, y 8, x is 1. So k would be 2. Now write this value of k, we get y is equal to 2x plus 3. Now given that x is equal to, now put this 2 here, we have 2x is 2 plus 3 5. So y would be 10. Answer is B option. Right? Next question. Question number 6. Okay, it is given that x square is directly varied as y cube. So remove this variation sign, we put a constant. Now given that x is equal 6, so 6 square k, y is equal 3 cube, so 36 is equal k 27, 9 4 are 9 3s, so k value is 4 by 3. Now put this value in this equation, we get x square is 4 by 3 y cube, so 3x square is equal 4 y cube. Which of the following is correct relation? It is A option. Next question. Okay, again these type of question are very tricky. We have to solve complete. Y is proportional to 1 upon x cube minus x. Now remove this proportional sign, we put k as constant, x cube minus x. Given that x is equal to, we have y as 1 by 6, so 1 by 6 is equal k upon 8 minus 2, so k would be 1. Now we have equation as 1 upon x cube minus x. Now value of x is 3, so it is 1 upon 27 minus 3 or 1 upon 24. So answer of y would be C option. Okay, next question. Okay, this is a very good question. Given that 21, 38, 55, 106. Now we have to calculate a number which subtracted from each of the term. So subtract x, x, x and x. Now these four numbers are in proportion. Now if four numbers are in proportion A, B, C, D, in that case A is to B proportion C is to D. In that case product of middle is equal product of extreme, means 21 minus x into, because these two we will write like this. This is proportion sign. Product of these two, 21 minus x, 106 minus x is equal 38 minus x into 55 minus x. Okay, one more thing is possible. If all three numbers are in proportion, so we can write like this also. 55 minus x upon 106 minus x. Now cross multiply, we will get the same condition. Now important part is this, if we simplify this we will get a quadratic, and quadratic solving in SSC and other bank examination is not so easy, and this question is important for bank exam also. SBI PO is near, this question is important for bank also. Now what we'll do in this case, we will put values of options x as this. Now if we put x as 2, now see, A option is x is equal to, now put this value, we have 19 into 104 is equal 36 into, now see 36 containing 9, this number both are not. See this point is very important. देखो यहाँ पर 9, देखो this doesn't contain 9, so this option is not possible. Now taking B option, it is 4. Now 21 minus 4 is 17. Now you must be very sharp. See that if we subtract 4 here, we get 34. It is multiple of 17. And if we subtract 55 minus 4, it is 51. It is again multiple of 17. So we are getting 217. Okay, if we subtract this 106 minus 4, we get, see 106, it is 102. It is again multiple of 17 and is equal 34 into 51. This is the possible answer, B option. अब मत बोलना. Friends, did you got this point? My point is, for these type of question, never try to solve this quadratic. Only try to put option given in the question. So from this we get that B option is possible. Okay friends.